This is just kind of a concept that we've been creating. To the north overhead is Laguna Salada, which was evaporated about when I was born, 1984, and it's about 142,000 acres. So we envision being able to create a connection between Laguna Salada and the Sea of Cortez. I kind of see this as what happens at the river, in Arizona, where you can have cars and RVs and everything along this river path that stretches 60 miles in this one segment, and then another 60 miles north United States side. But I kind of see that opportunity as a wide enough river where recreation can happen in that zone, and maybe eventually create a connection between the Salton Sea, Laguna Salada, and the Sea of Cortez that gives people access around the world to bring small boats into this region. These are some of the issues that have happened over the last 50 years with the Salton Sea itself. These are projections for how much it might decrease, which is sad. If we bring up this image, this is our larger parcel map that we've looked at, which is Laguna Salada, the Salton Sea to the north. You can see the border where the green becomes dark brown. That's the U.S.-Mexico border, where they have less water for their ag uses. But basically, you can see the agriculture that's happening on both sides of the border and north of the Salton Sea is pretty intensive, and it uses a lot of water. Over in here, you can see you wouldn't have to make a canal or a dredge for this portion of water, because high tide actually brings salt water up to that point. And this right here, if you move farther east and up, is the Coyote Canal, which is already built. So they already have a canal that connects these 2 points. It's just really shallow, and it's really narrow, so it doesn't actually bring water in. So the thought that we had is that you can create or widen that canal into rivers, meandering rivers, or just a larger canal that brings the water that starts refilling Laguna Salada. And this being 142,000 acres, can be a massive recreation opportunity, and it has fresh water. I kind of presented this to the state that this is really a Band-Aid solution for what they can't do up north here at the Salton Sea. They have an opportunity to allow the migratory birds to still have habitat, because they're kind of at their tipping point right now. The birds and the tilapia are not going to be able to reproduce, which means the birds that fly through here on the Pacific Flyway might shut down.